welcome back to another episode of Behind the Bird. We are on location in Kimber in the West Midlands for Stonebroken's new video for the song The Only Thing I Need, which is off their second album. A bit of a country rock song, so we're going for a bit of a country rock vibe. Big thanks to Hills Ford in Kidderminster for lending us the 4 brand new Ford Rangers. Thank you very much. Hay bales, that sort of vibe. Just having a bit of a setup now, testing the cameras, testing the lights. We've got the RE red heads pointing this way, and we're using the headlights from the trucks pointing that way to create the silhouette sort of effect. It's cold as hell, but nothing changes there. It's a great British weather for you, but we'll get cracking and come and have a look at the whole behind the scenes for the 3-day shoot.
Most of our time thinking about what our dreams were made of. We'd spend a lifetime just making all our plans. We'd stay up until the sunlight, just walking around until our feet start aching, hanging with our friends. And I hope it never ends. Oh, every time you ask to come around.
Noisy stuff out of the way first so we don't upset people, and get cracking.
Hey guys, we're here in the middle of Kimber, I believe, never been here before, in a field with some Ford Rangers. Shout out to the guys at Ford for lending us these trucks for the night. We are recording a brand new video for The Only Thing I Need. We're out here, we've got some hay bales on the go. We're obviously with the guys at Mockingbird again, and we can't wait to get cracking. It's cold, we've got hand warmers, the best thing ever.
By my side, it felt so overrated and got so complicated in time.
That is a wrap on Stonebroken's performance for their new song, The Only Thing I Need. We've got a day off tomorrow, and then Saturday and Sunday we're filming all the narrative stuff that's going to run alongside their performance that we've shot here tonight. So again, big thanks to Hills Ford and Kiddy for lending us the trucks. Thank you very much. Big success, happy with the way it looks. Looking forward to getting warm, that'll be nice. And yeah, well done to Chris the guitarist, who's struggling on his leg a little bit, but came out well. So looking forward to the weekend and getting everything done. So come and have a look.
So for us, it's over. It's we're meant to be in summer, that's what the video is suggesting. It's absolutely freezing, so I can't wait to get in the van, warm up, go home, get a cup of tea. Thanks Mockingbird, it's been awesome.
The only thing I need.